to our PEP instructional video. Today I'm going to show you how to identify which filter housing you have. This is a Hayward C1200. It is the middle model of the Haywards. All the Hayward's housing have the same base. It is only the top lid that is a different size. So this is the C1200, this is the C900, and this is the C1750. Now on the Haywards, to tell which filter housing you have, you just have to look on the tag here, and at the bottom right corner it will tell you which model you have. For the Pentair Clean and Clear RP filters, CC stands for Clean and Clear, you have three different models, the CC 100, 150, and 200. The CC 150 and 200 are the exact same filter housing. It is only the inside cartridge that has a different square footage. To identify which Pentair filter you have, there are two options. You can look at the bottom tag here, and you will see if there is a hole punched under the model number. Sometimes the hole is not punched, so there is an alternative. You can look at the lid, and right here at the top, you will see the model number. So this is how you identify which filter you have. If you are not sure, you can always ask your pool guy, or you can email us at info@poolequipprotect.com. There are many more makes and models. If you don't see your models in the videos we have done today, you can email us and send us a picture, and we'll help you identify which filter cover you need. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.